Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Stocks in Japan and Australia were higher Wednesday, with Sydney edging toward a 5-year high as the threat of US military intervention in Syria appeared to diminish. Syria said it would stop making chemical weapons and reveal the location of its stockpiles in an attempt to avoid a military attack on the country. Fears of a US military strike on Syria have weighed on market sentiment in recent weeks, but the rising possibility of a diplomatic solution this week has contributed to substantial gains for global markets. Rising 0.4% to 5,223.80, the ASX 200 edged closer to a 5-year high of 5,249.6 reached in mid-May. Australian stocks have been helped by a string of consistently upbeat economic data from China, the main consumer of the country's natural resources. The easing tension was reflected in a weaker yen, an asset that investors flocked to in times of turmoil. The dollar pushed 0.8% higher against the Japanese currency Tuesday to 100.38 yen and pushed higher in Asia, last at 100.56. Over the weekend, China posted strong export growth for August, which was followed by data Tuesday showing an acceleration in industrial output. Both measures reinforced the case for recovery in Asia's largest economy, leading to gains in the region's stocks. The Australian dollar, which has also been supported by the Chinese data, was slightly lower at 0.9289 to the dollar Wednesday compared with the 0.9321 it hit overnight, its highest level since late June. Today's update on France's non-farm payrolls in the second quarter will tell us about health of France's labor market. Later, the UK labor market report will attract the crowd's attention. UK labor market report 8:30 GMT. In contrast with the decline in payrolls in France, Britain's labor market continues to show a resilient run of positive momentum. The upbeat trend has yet to make a meaningful impact on the unemployment rate, which has remained mostly unchanged this year at just under 8%. But the persistent decline in the number of unemployed workers, the claimant count, suggests that the jobless rate will soon begin inching down. Indeed, the claimant count has fallen in each of the last 9 monthly updates, and today's release is expected to bring us to an even 10. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.